Had money for objection back again with the newest and newest as we always never promised you guys. We're never gonna promise you. Sure as we always promise you. Anyway, today we brought for you the smart ring Jakcom R3F. Okay, this has cost me $50. And I'm gonna tell you everything about this ring and shortly and quickly, okay? Because I don't have time to itch my ass. Listen, they create Jakcom smart ring R3 and there's R3F, okay? Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. Don't waste your money and your time for buying this piece of shit. Honestly. About all the advertisement that you see in YouTube, you know, listen, if you watch my channel before, you know that I don't say bullshit about anything. And if you create iPhone X shit, I'll say is shit. If you create Samsung is nice, I'm gonna say nice. Samsung is shit, I'm gonna say shit. iPhone did something nice, I'm gonna say. But actually, iPhone's doing always shit. Anyway, I'm telling you, to be honest with you, I bought it. This has cost me $50, including sending. You got me? It's bullshit. I mean, don't waste your time and your money for this piece of shit. Listen, you will, first of all, you have to register it. You have to download the Jakcom from apps in, enter Play Store or the Apple Store, and you just write Jakcom, and it's gonna appear for you only one software. You're gonna download it in your phone, then you will connect it by NFC from behind, I guess, like this, and it's gonna work. Okay, I connected, I did everything. First of all, guys, I'm gonna tell you something. There is no any smart ring, this one, or any other kind that he's calling as they show on YouTube. Oh, I got called, tick, I'll answer call. Bullshit. There is nothing like this. No any smart ring answering calls. And you will hear him, well, this is bullshit, okay? It's number one. Number two, this is completely useless, you know? Anything you can, there is nothing you can access in your smart, what you gonna do like this? Listen, I'm gonna tell you something. There's only two things in this smart ring. If you wanna use it, pay pass in the supermarket to pay shop and like this through him, yeah. And you know what else? And listen, I wanna tell you something about this here. This is bringing health back to you. And this bullshit, that is this one for refresh your health, and this one here, this is black stone from magic that you make your bullshit. If you are healthy, you're healthy. If you are sick, you are sick. I mean, guys, don't let anyone fool you with any creation. As for China, she have no problem. She will create for you smart pencil that you put it in your finger, you're gonna feel nice. You put it in your ass, sorry. Just, you know, let me tell you something. I know it's gonna be bullshit. I just ordered it to see what is this, you got me? Here they give you barcode, you scan it. It will lead you to the same QR code, and like this is gonna lead you to the application that you're gonna download it. You're gonna show you blah blah blah, how is restoring your health, how is making magnetic energy for you, and what's this bullshit, guys? This one is gonna make for me energy and restore my health? Are you okay? I know this from the beginning. I just saw it. To be honest with you, I'm gonna show it. I'm not gonna pretend that I am Bill Gates. I thought that he's calling. You got me? But I called my friend. He is in another state. You know, he's in America. I asked him, please buy this. I said for him, buy it for me. This Xenon, this Xenox, or I don't know, wearably or smart ring. There's another one, XENOX Xenox or something like this. Anyway, I said for him, please buy it, buy it. I want to see. It's really cool. Maybe this fucking Jakcom he's not calling. The guy ordered it from eBay and he cost himself $30, including delivery, or $40 with delivery. Anyway, he said for me, listen, I try everything. There's not calling. There's nothing called or answering call through smart ring. He say it's not doing this at all. He say all I can did that I unlock my phone. I use it for door. You know, he have fingerprint for his door. I mean the system for home security. He say actually I really use it for entering my door without fingerprint or without putting code. He say I did, but not work with all kind of not all kind with security at homes. The one that he support NFC, you have to know that. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. He say that's all. He say, and I use him here in supermarket. I buy one kind of Pepsi and I pay through him. Otherwise, he don't have any options, guys. This is the only two things. And these two things, you can do it from your phone. I already pay through my phone. You got when I am supermarket and like this, I pay through my phone. I put my phone in front of the machine for payment, and I pay through my phone. And sometimes I pay through my watch. I have Samsung Gear S3 Sport. I mean Gear Sport. I pay through my Samsung Gear Sport, and then you can pay through your phone, so you don't need it. And the same option, you can download application in your security. You can open your door through your phone. Otherwise, all this shit is useless, you know. Listen, there's another smart rings, one for security. If you are in emergency case, you will press it, you will call police, or you will call your friend number or like this. Yeah, this is like this maybe. But did he answer call or like this? Listen, I see this is useless creation. You got me? I don't advise anyone to spend his money for this. I'm gonna sell it actually. I will put it in the same site. Back again, fucker. Prosnolus. Back to you, fuckers. So I'm gonna put it again in the same site. I'm gonna sell this shit with any money. I put it with $30. I'm gonna sell it back with $30. I mean, this is and how is look, guys. Please see how is in my finger. Okay, this is my size. Okay, like I put bullets in my hand. What is this? Wait, I'm gonna put it. Just look. Even my fingers not close from it. You got me. I'm gonna carry my bones of my fingers. See, it's bothering. You know, he's not thin. You know, he's not thin that you can wear him and you not feel him. No, he's bothering really. You cannot see. Imagine I'm gonna carry heavy bucket on like this or something in my hand. I'm gonna feel pain as fuck in my small finger here. I mean, he's huge. What is this? All this? I'm gonna what? I'm entering fight like this is for fighting. You got me? No, no, no. I am telling you guys, this is a completely bullshit creation. I don't advise anyone to buy this shit. What is this entering payment and like this? This you can do it through your phone, and there is have nothing to access to internet. There is no access messages. There is no changing music and all this completely bullshit. I had said my objection about it. I completely object about this creation, smart ring. This is stupid ring, not smart ring for stupid people. I'm telling you guys, do not waste your money for this shit. You got me? Not this, not the other one. What's his name? Xerox or I don't know, Zero or something like this. All of them is bullshit from the end. So this was my video about it, and peace. I'm gonna tell you like this time. Peace like this with ring. See you in another video. I have a lot of things to show, a lot of things to do, and I don't have time. I'm sorry, really. You know, guys, I have my phone in my safe box here. Actually, here in my safe box, I have S9 Plus. Until now, I didn't exchange my S8 Plus and brown it and unbox it and show it to you. I don't have time. I have a lot of things to do. I just show my router now. Couple of weeks ago or couple of days ago, I still have another new router, ROG, this last Asus ROG. I still not show it, it's 5300. I have a lot of things. Anyway, see you for another vlog, and please don't forget to put thumbs down. I don't want anyone to put thumbs up, okay? All of you guys put thumbs, and don't subscribe. I'm just joking. Guys, you know, I'm gonna tell you something. I do this channel for just showing you what is the right, what's the wrong. I swear to God, I didn't get from eBay $1. Because this shit eBay Jewish motherfuckers, they make it that if you don't have 10,000 subscribers, and before this already they didn't get money, and after this I'm not gonna get money. And fuck this coins that you're gonna give it to me, I don't need it, okay? I'm just telling you that I do this channel for you and do these videos to show you what's the right, what's the wrong. Okay, from my experience, okay? So thanks for watching, and don't forget to support me by sending me $10,000 or more or less, you know, guys. I'm gonna press on you. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Or don't subscribe, up to you, guys. Okay, peace. I'm really gonna show you in another videos. Have a nice day for everyone. Wish for everyone happiness and peaceful and a lot of money, because this is the most important issue in our life now. Bye.